अस्सलामु अलैकुम। आज का हमारा सब्जेक्ट जोग्राफिया है, क्लास सिक्स्थ का जोग्राफिया, और इसका टॉपिक है मेजर डोमेन्स ऑफ द अर्थ। सब टॉपिक है फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ ऑफ लेसन। द अर्थ इज़ आवर होम, इट इज़ ए यूनिक planet. वाई इज़ इट so? Because life is known to exist only on the earth. Till today we do not know about any other heavenly body supporting living things. Life is found almost in all corners of the earth. It is found in water, on land, and also in the air. This makes our earth unique in the entire solar system. What makes life possible on the earth? One reason is that the earth has plenty of water on its surface. Over two-thirds of its surface is covered with water in the form of oceans, seas, lakes, rivers, and ice caps. All kinds of life depend on water. All kinds of life depend on water. To be precise, every living thing is made of a considerable proportion of water. The moon has no atmosphere. Therefore, the day is extremely hot and the night is very cold, because of which life is not found on the moon. For the development of life, equally important is the presence of air. The air envelopes the earth, which is called the atmosphere. इसके लिए इतना ही सबक है, इसको घर याद भी करना, आइंदा इंशाल्लाह इससे आगे पढ़ेंगे।